we sponsored this program when I was on the Board of Supervisors, the domestic partners ordinance in Santa Clara County was because we began to understand what Fortune 500 always understood. Happy employees are productive and efficient, and they make money for you. And if they're going to be that way, why not for the county and for our, public service? And so we did that. And when we told that Fortune 500 does that, it shut a lot of people up, and so they had to think of something else. So now in Congress, and I want to thank you for helping me get in Congress. But now in Congress, Congresswoman Tammy Baldwin and Congressman Barney Frank, they created the LGBT Equality Caucus, and I'm proud to say I'm one of the vice chairs and founding members. And I'll tell you, with Tammy and with Barney, I wish I had Barney's silver tongue.